No manches, estuvo fuertísimo. ¿Viste ese edificio? Sí, parece que se iba a correr.
Se mueve chingo. Es que lo saca.
Hey guys, it's your host, the Vedic Knight, and this just in, a strong 8.1 earthquake just hit the coast of southern Mexico near the border with Guatemala. And tsunami warnings have just been issued and people are said to evacuate. Guys, watch this video. So guys, what do you think? Is this stranger than fiction? Is this the apocalypse, Armageddon, as in the legends of old? Guys, something is really weird. Half our country, the United States, is on fire. We have fires in California, in Oregon. We have a hurricane that just hit Texas, and now we have a Cat 5 hurricane headed towards Florida, where I myself reside, and followed by Hurricane Jose, and also we have another one brewing in the Gulf named Hurricane Katia. So guys, what's going on? Do you guys think this is HAARP doing this at this point? I don't think it's HAARP, because the sun itself is acting weird with mass coronal ejections, 2 solar flares headed our way. What will that do? God knows. Do you guys think this is the sign in the religious books like the Bible and the Quran? Guys, do you think this is the return of the Planet X, or is this climate change? I don't think, guys, this is climate change happening too fast, because the sun itself is acting weird. It's heating up, guys. But all these questions and concerns for another video. So guys, what do you think is going on? And till next time, guys, Be safe. It's been your host, the Vedic Knight, and I'm out, guys.